Hi and welcome to this VIP class. So this is part 2 of funnels. Quick recap. Last class, we spoke about the boss money magnet, which is the structure of your funnel, right? This like so. It's as simple as A, B, C. A for attract, B for build, and C for convert. In this lesson, part 2, we're talking about attract. And the whole purpose of attraction is to get as many people inside your funnel as possible. Here's you, right? Smiley face, and your money over here, right? It's not about trying to squeeze in and retain as many people, because you want to maintain the quality of your customers. You know, those ones that love your product, those ones that will give you referrals, those ones that will comment, they will share, you know, those ones that would when it's time to fill a survey, they would actually fill the survey and help you make your product and your service better. Those are the kind of customers you want to attract into your funnel. And so you want to make sure that you drive as many people down here as possible. And here, you know, it's a crowd. It's really a crowd of people. Just so many people, right? So we're talking about attraction today. A for attract. How do you attract your customers? So here's what I do. There's a challenge right now going on. It's called the 13 Days Action Quickie Challenge. And the whole point of this challenge, first off, it's very easy. It's very simple. All you have to do is sign up for the challenge, commit to showing up for 13 days. You're going to get 9 guides in your email every single day for 13 days. Why 13 days? 13 days because 13 is a super powerful number that talks about your creativity and your intuition, and really that's where the money is, right? Because if you're able to be creative with your mind, then you're really able to play with this system best you can. You can have so many variations, you can have so many levels to this, you can have so many offers in each level, and it comes from you building that consistency and you building that creativity. The challenge is for you to be more consistent with your creativity, you see? And it's simple, it's easy. You want to create something like that, something that will attract people. You can sign up from the link. You can sign up for the challenge so that as you go through that funnel, you also see how you can take from that to build your own. So what can you offer to attract your customers? You have ebooks, a free video, so you can set up a video on YouTube, on Vimeo, you know, on Facebook, in your Facebook group. You can do that. A video, you can do a free masterclass, right? Masterclass. It could be a template. I also have templates in my CEO's briefcase. You can also get that in the link below. So it could be any of these. It could be a guide, you know, whatever you want to call it, right? But the point is that it comes in different forms: video, audio, or text. However you now want to execute that, it's up to you. But you want to make sure that it's something super simple that doesn't take much from you, so that, you know, you don't feel like, oh my gosh, I put all this work into it, I'm going to let it go for free. You know, that happens, and you can get like that. So in order not to get like that, make sure that it's something simple. It could be a one-pager. Top 50 industry trends to watch out for, right? If you're in the wellness industry, 5 things to do right now to start your weight loss journey. If it's about business, it could be 5 things to watch out for when creating content. Something simple that you know will attract your audience. So in the first instance, before you decide on these options, you need to know who are you talking to, not just their age, the demographics. You want to really get in their minds. And the easiest trick, I learned this from Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi. Where you are right now is very different from where you were 3 years ago. You know so much in that 3 years that you can talk to you of 3 years ago. There are people who are you right now 3 years ago. Talk to that person. How are you feeling then? What did you need? What was the thing that was causing you so much pain? What was the thing that you really wanted to know? What was the thing that you wish you knew when you started? Create that in whatever form, video, audio, or text. And there you have it. That's your freebie, right? So talk to you of when you just started, right? That's the easiest way, right? It's a trick I learned from Tony and Dean, and I've been using that because you can then relate easier, and people want to be able to relate with you. You don't want to buy something from, people buy things from strangers, right? As long as the solution is clear. For example, the examples I gave, 5 things to watch out for when creating content. You know it's content creators, brand managers, or PR people, or social media people that you're creating that for, right? So that is about attraction, right? You're creating content for you when you just started, so that you're really able to connect with the pain of your customers. And the form which you create something free so that you can attract as many people as possible is your ebooks, videos, masterclass, templates, guides, and ABCD. You're putting all of this, right? How you're creating your funnel is through email marketing. Email marketing is yours. It is yours. It is yours. It is yours. It's not Instagram. It's not social media. One day Mark can decide to just off your accounts, and that's it. But with email marketing, we have so many software. Just Google the options available to you. Most of them have free options, especially when you're just building your list, when you're just building your funnel. You can have 1,000 contacts for free, 500 contacts for free, right? 2,000 contacts for free. There are those options. The point is that you want to attract as many people using your freebie as possible. So there you have it for part 2 of funnels, and I will see you in the next lesson, where we talk about, now that you've attracted all of these people, how do you build them? How do you nurture them so that they see you as an authority and they finally say yes to you when it's time to convert them? Like, share, subscribe, all of that jazz. And you can get the CEO's briefcase. You can also start the challenge from the link below. I'm gonna put up a card somewhere here, right? As you go through my funnel, it gives you ideas on how to set up your own funnel. And I will see you in the next video.